Hello. As you can see, I have Marduk's legs on. They're in a little bit different position than they were last time, but should go well. Like the motor carriage struts, which have two mount points on the undercarriage. These two also have two mounting points on the undercarriage. So it should give it enough structural integrity. Now, from preliminary measurements, it might be tilting a little backwards, but that should be okay. So, in a second, we're gonna use the van to put it upright. So that worked well. What happened was Marduk snapped in half right as I was pulling him up. And it was actually only a small part that failed. I'll just bring the light over so we can take a look. I hate the fall because it gets dark so early. What happened was the hole... Yep. Let go. The hole that the rod goes to that connects Marduk's torso to the hips got ripped out, and we'll go under there to see in just a sec. There you go. What happened was the nut pretty much just ripped right through. Maybe if I had used a washer, it would have stayed together, but that's some consideration for next time. And I connected the struts here after it collapsed because the entire motor carriage mount was going cockeyed. But with these on, it's actually staying in position, which is nice. So, what I figure I have to do is that in order to get the torso onto the top, or onto the hips, I have to strip it down pretty much to just the PVC base, put that on top, and then assemble the torso while it's on top of the hip bits, which is going to make it a little bit of a pain to bring it to conventions, but, well, conventions, maker fairs, etc., but it'll look cool to see a giant robot being assembled before people's eyes. But, well, I guess that is all for today, so until next time, bye-bye.